Welcome to Tech Tether.
How to set up AT&T Smart Wi-Fi Extender in your home. Set up using WPS button. Place the Wi-Fi Smart Extender within the range of the gateway and power it on. Press the push button on the backside and wait for the LED light to blink green. First, you must press the WPS button on the wireless router and perform the same action on the Wi-Fi extender. After releasing the WPS button, you can wait for around 3 minutes for the LED on the extender to turn solid green. Since you are increasing the coverage of the existing Wi-Fi network, the SSID and password remain the same. You can check the status of the extender on the AT&T Smart Home Manager app. Now you can relocate the Wi-Fi range extender. Next, plug the extender into the power outlet and wait for the Wi-Fi connection to be re-established. Once the LED turns green, you can start browsing the internet. Set up using AT&T Smart Home Manager app. You can download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play on your smartphone and customize the AT&T Smart Wi-Fi extender. Next, open the website, enter your login credentials, and go to Tools or Assistant. Finally, it's time to tap Install Smart Wi-Fi Extenders and follow the on-screen instructions. Once the LED on the extender turns solid white, you can enjoy browsing the internet. You can also select alternate settings, such as Network, on the app. Next, go to Home Network Hardware and tap on Add Extender. Here, you can select the Wi-Fi extender model and follow the instructions on the screen.
Thanks for watching.